Hello everyone, I'm Prasanna and welcome to my channel OCamel. So in today's world, we most frequently come across to the word data science. So every day we are hearing the word data and there is lot of importance given to the data in today's world. So why should we care about data and why should we learn data science? All these questions will be answered here. So welcome to OCamel. This is my first video. And OCaml takes you to the basic concepts of machine learning, which I have learned. And so the first question was, why should we care about data? So the first Android phone was released by HTC, which is a high-tech computer corporation, and it was released in 2008 September, and it is called as HTC Dream. So till now we use it. Till then, by HTC was released, we use it the normal phone where we mostly used it for calls and some used it for messages. That's it. This there is less amount of data was generated then. But when this Android phones and smartphones came into picture, there is a huge data is generating day by day. There are many reasons for this. The first one is social media applications. When smartphones came into picture, there are many applications were published like social media application, YouTube, Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and Facebook. There is a huge amount of data these applications are producing. Like there are many videos in YouTube and tweets. So many people tweets. There are many uh, tweets generated and every day, every second, many tweets are generating. On Instagram, we post all our photos. LinkedIn is for job. We upload our resumes. We give our data, certificates, all these in LinkedIn, Snapchat, Facebook. There is a so we post comments. We post our photos, everything. So there is a lot of data is generating. And where the second one is e-commerce application. We most use Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, Jabong.com. All these are some of the e-commerce applications. So if you look at Amazon, there is a lot of data. There are many products, and for each product, there are many models, many sizes. And for each product, the customer will give many reviews, rating. So there is a huge data generating for a single application. Think if a single application like Amazon is producing so much of data, then there are many applications. Just think how much data is generating. And Digital India by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. After this Digital India came into picture and all the things were digitalized and so much of data is producing. So just look at this graph, data evaluation graph. This is for 2010 to 2020, 10 years. So just look at this, how the graph is just growing exponentially. Just 2010 we have the small thing and 2020 it is 35 zettabytes and even more. So much of data is just generating. And this graph is from Analytics India. So these are the hiring companies or hiring fields from different fields. So which hire the data scientists from different fields like travel and hospitality, banking and financial services, and energy utilities, media, retail, automobile. See, 2017, more than 45% data scientists were hired in banking and financial services. So there is a huge demand for data scientists. Just look at this graph and know where the scientists were hired. And this is from the two websites which are we know all these, Indeed and Naukri.com. So Indeed have 4,000 to 65 data scientist jobs. Some related jobs like data engineer and all the things. And Naukri.com It has more than 5,400 data science jobs. So there is a huge demand for data scientists. Next, these are the salaries for a data scientist in India. So the average salary is 10 lakhs per annum. So you can think of how data scientist future can be. And the highest is 18 lakhs. It is just for India, and if you look at other countries, it will vary and it can be even more. So, what is data science? What is ML? What is machine learning? What is AI? You all have this questions. So, data science, you see the Venn diagram. So, data science is not just one field, it is a combination of some fields like computer science, mathematics, and statistics, domains, and business knowledge. So, computer science, the engineers, computer science engineers, they'll mostly know about the programming like Python, Java, we all know that, right? So, computer science is for programming languages and math and statistics. In data science, all the predictions will be in mathematically, graphically represented. So we use math and statistics for this. And domains and business knowledge is we should have some domain and business knowledge to understand the data. So that's where this domain knowledge will be used. And if you don't need to have all these three things. If you have two things like computer science and math or statistics, you can be a data scientist. Even we can learn the domain knowledge when you go to like hospitality domain. If you know something about it, will be easy for them. Like if they know about some maths and the basic knowledge about maths and statistics, they can be data scientists. So machine learning is a part of data science. So data science is equal to like data science is equal to machine learning plus some big data. So machine learning will give the predictions and data scientists analyze all these predictions and make decisions for the company, for the respected company in which they were hired. And this is the data science, all those things which will come under data science, like mathematics will be there, machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural networks, data visualization. That's the most important part. And big data, exploratory data analysis, and statistics, data modeling. All this comes under data science. The next one is so you learn what are the data science jobs, what are the salaries of data science, and what is the importance of data science. So now, in theoretically, we learn what data science is. So science, when you hear the word science, the science is asking the question why to everything we come across to. Like why this is happening and why this is happening in this way only, why can't it be another way? So all these questions, asking the question why is what science is. So data science, asking the questions why for the data. So it is just a field, a multidisciplinary field that uses the scientific methods and algorithms to extract the knowledge from data. Here we mention structured and unstructured data. So we can get insights from both structured and unstructured data. So structured data, I will tell you what's the difference between the structured and unstructured data. So structured data, we see like all the database, the metadata we see in databases, right? Like the age, name. This was in organized way. All the information which is stored in general databases like Oracle uh, or some SQL databases we see. So all the information will be in organized manner, like the columns, the metadata, and some information like this column should have integers, strings, and all those things. The structured data is what this. When it comes to unstructured data, Like all the Facebook tweets, comments, we'll see all this comes under unstructured data. The posts, images, and email. They don't have any specific structure like this is integer and this comes under this column. There is nothing with unstructured data. So all the images, mails, these are the example for unstructured data. And generally, these NoSQL database deals with these unstructured data. So in 2012, Harvard Business Review called the data science as the sexiest job of 21st century. So there is a lot of importance given to data scientists, and it became a buzzword. Next, what is machine learning? So we learned what data science is, and now we learn what machine learning is. So machine learning is a subset of AI. It is a subset field of artificial intelligence, which is the study of algorithms and statistic models in a computer systems. So what it does is, machine learning does is, we have the data, the previous data, and we use that data to give the predictions in the future. For example, uh, in quality, we take this use case of quality of wine. So I have some data like in the wine there are some sulfur and nitrates. There are some compositions like sulfur nitrates and all the liquids, and how much percentage of sulfur is there and how much percent of nitrate is there. So we get the information, get the data from this wine, and we'll process the data and we'll predict the new wine, the quality of a wine which is not there in the previous set. So that is what machine learning is. We'll learn from the data and we'll predict some new data using some machine learning algorithms.